In Fatorda gang war case, three wanted criminals, namely Amog Naik, Velly D'Costa, and Prakash, finally have appeared before SP South Goa Tikam Singh Verma, and they have surrendered in the case. All three accused were accompanied with their advocates, and after the surrender, their advocates claimed that they have not surrendered but they have joined the investigation in compliance with the notices served to them. But all these three accused were absconding since day of offense and police were searching them. Amog Naik had also filed anticipatory bail application which was rejected by the court.
12 अगस्त को जो हमारा एक फायरिंग का इंसिडेंट रिपोर्ट हुआ था जिसमें हमने अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर की एक एफआईआर रजिस्टर की थी, उसमें अभी तक 25 अरेस्ट हमने किए थे। उसमें से अभी 3 जो हमारे मेन एक्यूज थे वो आज सरेंडर किया है, तो उनकी अरेस्ट फॉर्मेलिटीज़ के लिए हम उनको भेज वैली, अमोक और प्रकाश
वो ही surrendered them for investigating purpose. As far as arrest is concerned or whatsoever will be depending upon the investigating authority.
पण एक खंयची केसी जाय आसली
With regards to the Mungul shooting incident, the 12th of August 2025.
सो इतले दीस खंय राविल्ले
No, we were at home only. Based on the notices that were served upon us and our family, we have come today to join us.
Police were not able to find them.
We were at home. Why police could not find them? That was up to them.
Amog has filed anticipatory, it
Yes,
was rejected.
we are, exactly. So we are before the court, no? So we have done our duty and we have exhausted our options that were given to us. And now we have joined investigation.
पण आता ते फक्त येऊन सरेंडर झाले.
So we have only joined investigation. There is no surrender whatsoever. We have joined investigation. Depends upon them what action they take.
त्यांची नावं किती होतं?
Amog Naik, Velly D'Costa and Prakash.